I'm Pamela Auger, and I'm the founder of the OctoVie Skincare Brush. OctoVie deeply cleanses the skin, stimulates the collagen production, and assists with the lymphatic drainage of the face. OctoVie comes in two different sizes. Our larger brush comes in two signature colors, the ocean blue and the vineyard rose. It has a firmer feel and touch, and it feels amazing. The smaller brush comes in a clear color. It is soft, squishy. It's ideal for removing all the dirt, makeup oils, and impurities from the skin. Not only can you use it to cleanse your face every day, I use it for my lotions, my potions, my masks, moisturizers. And one of my favorite ways to use it is to use it to apply my makeup. Instead of makeup brushes or cosmetic sponge, I use my OctoVie to apply. I use that firmer OctoVie to cleanse my makeup brushes. Think of all the dirt, the bacteria, the makeup buildup that's on there, and we want a flawless finish, and it works perfect.